Hi, this is Professor Rainwater, and I thought I'd put together a quick tutorial for you on how to use the perspective tool in Adobe Illustrator CS5. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the window here to make sure that the grid is visible. So I'm going to go to View, and I'm going to go down here to Perspective Grid, and I'm going to show the grid. Okay, so this is the basic perspective grid. Now, you can, with this perspective tool, adjust the grid to however you like. When you click on the perspective tool, which is right here, and you can see it has a little triangle, and I'm going to pull the whole tool out. This gives you the ability to change the perspective by working with the vanishing points. You can go above the horizon line, you can go below the horizon line. You can, through this view menu, take a look at all of the options for the grid. You can hide it, you can show it, you can set it for 1, 2, 3-point perspective. Right now I'm just going to use the simple default, which is this 2-point perspective directly with the horizon line right in the middle. Okay, so this is the tool here. So you want to select this tool, and then you see this widget over here. This little widget controls which side of perspective you're working on. So you click on the little widget tool, and you're going to see this blue highlight and the blue area here, which means that when you start drawing here, it's going to draw for you automatically in perspective. So I'm just going to take a simple rectangle, and I'm going to just make it a dark gray. And I'm going to start drawing in the perspective tool. And as I do it, you're going to see it draws in perspective for me automatically, which is really pretty nice. Alright, so now I'm going to draw on the other face of the perspective. So I'm going to click off, and I'm going to select the little widget tool again, and I'm going to click on the right hand face. Now I'm going to get just a little bit lighter shade of gray, and you can see I'm going to draw the other side of it. And as you can see, it automatically draws this in perspective for you. It's really great if you're doing like a city scene or something like that, or you want to put type in perspective especially. Now to turn off the grid, all you do is go to View and go down to Perspective Grid and choose Hide the Grid, and then it goes away. So here you have these two shapes that are given the illusion of space, perspective space, on a two-dimensional plane. So I hope this will help you a little bit. Once you get your perspective thing drawn, if you want to move it as one piece, you'll need to, just with your black arrow, click and drag and select both pieces, and then go to Object and select Group, and now you can move this around as an individual item. So I hope this helps you with perspective. If you have Illustrator CS4, it does not have the perspective tool in it. So you'll have to draw your perspective manually. Be sure to read all of the information that's in the course about drawing in perspective.